So what's going on YouTube? You know who I am, it's my sister CoCo.
Hi.
We're doing a review for the milk.
Fire. Let's see.
You can hold it up. Come over a little bit. Chicken looks huge.
Ooh, chick.
Alright.
I told them to milk that sucker. Oh wait, the fries too.
Well, you already saw the fries already.
Right. Wanna cheers?
Cheers.
Huh.
Pickles are homemade.
I don't.
Sorry about that.
It was tipping. That's fire. I knew I was about to burn the fuck out of my mouth. I just knew it.
This one's right now, you know. Milky cheese.
I have to show y'all that steam. Because I'm not over exaggerating. That some bitch was hot. That's a good. That's a nice chicken sandwich. It probably been fire too if it was spicy too. Because they got a spicy option as well.
Yeah, good pick.
I hope we picking both. Okay. Okay.
Fries are rockwoodable. They're not over salty.
They're not. I like that. Little fucking gherkin.
They're homemade.
They got that nasty sauce on it. I don't like Thousand Islands. I think that is the abomination. I do. That's disgusting. Like, oh, my bad.
The pickle's fire.
Pickle fire. Pickle fire. And FYI, if you eat pickles that are rounds, you fucking weird. Something's off about you.
Why you gotta be weird if they're round?
This is a pickle. Those are chips.
Yeah.
Those are not pickles. Learn the difference. Pickles are whole or halves.
Spears.
Spears. Those are not chips.
The ranch is nice and thick.
That's a nice ass pickle.
Yeah.
It's not too salty either.
I thought it was for the pickle.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I was. Just for the pickle is fire.
You got some fries and shit.
This is something you like. Hey, girl.
You want another drink?
I'm cool right here. That's what you be like. Sweet lady, would you be my sweet love for a lifetime? I'll be there when you need me. Come get in my belly. Oh God.
Mm-hmm. I'm drinking on the Poppy Shirley Temple.
What? It was more than one?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. No.
They'll grab another one.
You cheeky bastard. I hope so.
I mean,
If not, we're going back. We gotta go back anyway because I gotta go get our charger.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And I got the Olipop apple crisp. Ding.
Then you
Cheers.
taste it.
Oh.
Yeah, see, aren't you glad? You're somewhat disappointed.
I am. It's like when your hopes is all up there and you want that.
What would you think? Have you had a Shirley Temple before?
Yeah. I used to get them all the time, especially like in the 7-Up one too. But
And who's what it tastes like?
I think it's a probiotic. I think that's what it is. I'm like, it's something missing. I don't know if it's the extra little zoom.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Maybe it got to be cold. Excuse me. Maybe it has to be cold.
I think this, I don't have to take with me to finish it.
I think I'm gonna be on that bird.
We have a weird candy review coming up too.
Hmm?
I said we have a weird candy review coming up.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be interesting because I'm not sure about one of them. I'm not too sure about.
All of them I'm not too sure about, but
No, that bag. That look like the devil.
Yeah.
In the words of Bobby Boucher, mama, that's the devil. Oh my God. Like, it's a real chicken sandwich.
it's nice and thick. Yeah, don't take that bite.
Look. It's not a fake chicken. It's an actual real chicken breast in here.
I don't even like chicken breast like that.
I do. But it's crazy. It's not that much seasoning on here, but it's still good though. Like, I think the sauce is probably carrying it, maybe. And the batter. Because the batter is fire though. Our bread batter.
So we're at the food court on 7th and Big, the little shopping center. So if you're in LA, come check it out.
It's worth the trouble.
Alright, we'll catch you later, YouTube.
Bye.
Bye.